Hare Krishna. So today I'm going to be presenting the flute and I'll be playing the Hare Krishna melody that you hear at the end of Tulsi Puja. So the Hare Krishna melody goes like this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So it just has two parts. It's very sweet, as you can hear. And I'll be playing it on the flute, and you can find the notes in the description below. So first I'm going to play the Sthayi, then I'll play the Antara, and then I'll play the Sthayi again with the metronome. Okay? So here we go. So now first the Sthayi without the metronome. You can see my fingers. And again, the notes are below. Okay, and let's do it again. So when they're double notes, you just hit it twice, right? As you can see. So I'll play again ni sa re re, the subpart, second subpart, like that. Okay, so that's the Sthayi. In case it was too fast or too slow for you, remember you can always change the speed in the video. Okay. Now I'll play Antara 1 without the metronome. Okay, I'll play nice and slow. I'll play it again, okay? Okay, first half, second half. So again, slow. Then the final part. Sorry. All right, so maybe you recognize it. If not, I think if I play it with the metronome, you'll recognize it even more. Okay, because now we have the structure of the beat to play along with. Okay, so I'm going to play with the metronome now, and you can see I have it set up like this. I'm starting at 70 BPM, and you can see the settings, okay? If you have a metronome, then you can copy it and do the same thing, all right? And then on the back end, on the tempo trainer, That's on the bottom left corner. You click a little circle and it takes you to the tempo trainer, also known as the speed trainer. And you can set it up like this. Okay. If you're interested in what metronome I'm using, I'll also put a link for that in the description. Okay. It's a free metronome, very good. So it's speeding up 1 BPM every 2 bars up until 120 BPM. Okay. So here, let's go ahead and play, starting at 70. Okay, and I'll start with Sthayi and then alternate between Sthayi and Antara. Okay, let it run through again. Starting the last two. Back to the Sthayi. there you go. That's the 2 parts. There are only 2 parts to it. And if you're interested in signing up for classes and learning more of these kinds of tunes, there's so many really sweet tunes you can play on the flute. Feel free to sign up. See the link on the below for our website, and you can sign up through there. And I would love to see you in a lesson. Thank you very much for your time. Hare Krishna.